Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Welcome everybody. My name is Sheni Francis.
My name is Anif Campbell. This is a TV viewing and the program Akshan Taak. Viewing news in a Fiwi language. The cleaner for June 9, 2008 do one flashback in a time on the Walter Rodney business what happened in October 1968. Them said that the year did a one big year for the whole world, for the US and for the Caribbean. The Gleaner called that the year where people all over the world turn up, strong and talk their mind.
Yeah, in the US, them did have one big demonstration against the war in Vietnam.
And in May that the same year, the children them not strike in France and join with the worker them to lock down the whole country and nearly take over the government.
And in a little Jamaica too, you can't left out. We did in the excitement too, you know.
So make we look at what going on so in that the year. The Gleaner in for them history and geography of Jamaica give one rundown.
In 1968, the Right Reverend John C. Swaby turned the Anglican bishop for Jamaica. Them put him on him throne at St. Diego de la Vega, what we now call St. James Cathedral, Panish Town, on February 19.
And on April 1st, 1968, people get the first chance to buy tie-up money with them name National Development Bond. And you know, have to pay a tax on the interest you get from that the tie-up money.
And them opened the Montego Freeport, Deepwater Pier, the first one for Montego Bay on July 25.
And on August 1, Jamaica joined Carifta. Carifta did a one bag in the government them around the Caribbean make for allow goods for left from one country, go in at the next one, and no tax no pay for the goods them come in.
In the last week in August that day year, the whole of the police them right across the country saying say them sick and can't come and work. That happened after them threatened say them are going to take action if them don't get more pay. The government they have to call out the soldier them to keep law and order in the country.
And then, on October 15, the Jamaica government gave an order to stop Dr. Walter Rodney from coming back in the country. Dr. Rodney added a one Guyanese to teach African history at the University of the West Indies. As according to the Gleaner, some of the students them and the lecturer them go on demonstration the next day because Walter Rodney did stop and come back in the country. From what the Gleaner said, bad man took over the demonstration and big riot broke out and one somebody dead. Enough place all over Kingston get mashed up bad. The damage that ever cost £1 million to fix back.
That's how the Gleaner say. Every story have two sides. The children they never side too.
Yeah man. Enough of them right afterwards about where one. One of them are Ralph Gonzalez. Right now him are the Prime Minister of St. Vincent. But them the time, him did a run president at the student guild. Him write one article in the Caribbean Quarterly for September 1979 which tell the children them side of the Tory.
As according to Dr. Gonzalez, Radni landed in Jamaica from Montreal, which part him did go for one Black Writers Conference. Him plane land at the airport 2:20 on Tuesday afternoon, October 15. 9 o'clock that same night there, the student them up at the university here said them stop Radni from coming off of the plane.
Well, right away, 900 students no meet a Mary Sequoia. Them briefly march go, where in them days there, them call the Ministry of Home Affairs. That did the Ministry of response to safeguard the country from people inside who want to fight against it. Them want to give the Minister and the Prime Minister letter so them not agree with what the government do. The student them plan to go downtown in a bus. But next morning the bus them, where them I have to carry them go, no reach. So the student them decide to walk go down, go and in for them letter.
The student them didn't know say them are going to get the government backs. Them didn't know say them have to go be orderly for now give the police them excuse to break up the march. On the morning of October 16, them gather near the university registry in a them red student gown and with them wet rag for guard against tear gas. The student them left campus and they are walk down in a one straight line, one behind the other, down Mona Road. Police with gun and baton and tear gas try to tap the student them near the aqueduct. The woman student them sweet talk them way past the police and all heap of people just go through the police roadblock. When the police catch themselves, then start run behind the student them up Mona Road to try catch them.
The police them found one next roadblock down Mona Road, but the student them broke through again. The police start fire tear gas on the student them. the march broke up in a two part. One group run through Wedding Time Drive go across road. The next group run go Matilda's corner and gone down up Rope Road go Jamaica House. When them gather in front of Jamaica House, the police fire one tear gas bomb which drop right in front of Pat Radni, Walter Rodney wife. Everybody could have know who she be, cause she did a get baby and did a carry one placard which say, "I wear my husband." Same time the police beat up one student right there.
And all over the city, people there show for them support for the student them. Doctor, I make student travel pan bus free. People give student water, drinks and wet rag for deal with the tear gas. Student them from outside of you join the US student them. Them reach downtown in front of the Ministry of Home Affairs. By now, the crowd get bigger, and more than 2,000 people there. All kind of people join the crowd. Rasta, worker, and young man when on the walk. Them all meeting right there so. Them want meet with the minister, but him say him no want meet with nobody. When him show him face, we look upon the crowd, them cuss him off. Little after that, when the crowd move up a Duke Street for go to the Prime Minister office, fight broke out with buckle and stone. Some car mash up, the student them scatter and then them gather again.
Them march up Orange Street go to Georgia 6 Memorial Park. Them all meeting again. By 1 o'clock, the Vice Chancellor for the university come. Him did just meet with the Prime Minister Hugh Shearer. Same time people are holler, "Black power, no, and we want Shearer come here now." The Vice Chancellor tell the student them, him thinks that them should have go back at campus. The crowd rush forward and the police beat them back. The police fire tear gas and rush the student them. Plenty of them get beat up with police baton. Round 2:30 time, the student them left the city go back at campus.
When them left hell broke loose, the people them riot right through the night of October 16. Only a bank and business place on Harbour Street and King Street mash up. 53 JLS bus burn up or mash up. £1 million worth of damage too. The police lock up 100 people. None of them never their student do. Next year, the Prime Minister leader of the argument in the Parliament pan the Radni business. Him claim say Radni the our communist. And him the a plan with the rest of them to turn the country upside down and overthrow the government. By Friday, October 18, the Akshan Taak bow and Castro plot, where the Prime Minister, Mr. Shearer, said Radni the Dana.
The police and the army locked down the university campus. Them stop people from coming in at the campus and from levy. When them sister copy a one paper where the student them write, when them scope get smuggled out of the campus and get out round town, them get even more strict. The student them say them now go back to class because them begs with where the government do about Radni and how the police angle them on the street. Them stay out on strike till October 27 when the cleaner published one set of the statement them would tell the students side of the story. After that, them go back at them class.
I should give Walter Rodney the last word on this one here. Here what him have to say in the Grounding with My Brothers, page 63, 64 and 67. When you're black and you study and work at university, you have one duty to join in the fight with the ordinary black people and fight for them rights. So in Jamaica, we go whichever part me coulda talk with the people. Me talk at the University Extramural Center, me talk down at West Kingston, me talk at sports club, a school room, a church hall and all down at the gully side. What important, I not see them ban me. And when me do, fi open my mouth and talk fi who no have no voice.
Well, from what me hear and read, Jamaica after October 16, 1968 changed. That is the year when people in this country turn up strong and talk their mind.
I true think that. I'm glad say we go back in the past to see where they are going in Jamaica 40 years ago. To see what the news they say. And when the people write book and articles since then, they are talk about the Radni business.
40 years later. Mr. Annie Campbell.
Me at Shani Francis. Till next time, this is Akshan Taak.
More time.